Your system is like your body soldier. If it is weak, you can fall sick so easily. But do you know there are local African foods that can naturally boost your immunity? Yes. Welcome back to Home of Natural Tips, where we share trusted health tips from nature. If you love health and natural living, hit the subscribe button and stay with us because in this video, I'm going to share 3 powerful African foods that help you stay strong and fight infections. So let's dive into the video. Yeah. Number one, ginger and garlic. These are natural antibiotics. Okay, they boost your immunity so fast. What you need to do is to crush the two of them together and drink it with warm water in the morning because it is going to boost your white blood cell. That is what ginger and garlic does to your system. So all you need to do is follow the prescription and you are going to get a bountiful and a better result because on this channel I prescribe and God Almighty do the healing. The second thing you'll be needing, you need scent leaf. Scent leaf is going to boost your immunity because it is rich in antibacterial and antifungal properties. Boil the leaves of scent leaf, drink as a tea daily to cleanse your system. This one work like magic, okay? So because I prescribe and God Almighty do the healing. The third thing you'll be needing is tiger nuts. Tiger nuts is another mind-blowing tips, okay? Because it is rich in vitamin C and E. Blend it with coconut and dates for a delicious immunity milk. Oh my God, it is so delicious and you are going to enjoy this recipe, okay? So that is it on that. Are you eating any of this already? Let me know in the comment section. Like this video if you want more of natural health tips and do not forget to subscribe and share for every other person to get this good news, okay? So, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.